Okay, so for the last part of the percent proportion, which is of, you're finding a whole, okay? You're finding the whole part of the number. So for this question, we have 125% of what is 17.5. 125% of what is 17.5. So again, percent of is 125% of what is 17.5. So we're going to cross multiply. We get 125x equals 1,750. Divide by 125. And x equals 14. So 125% of 14 is 17.5. Let's try the next one. 24% of what is 52? 24% of what is 52? So again, we're going to set up our proportion. 24% of what is 52? Cross multiply. Divide. And again, with this one, we're going to find that we have to round. Okay, rounding to the hundredth. So again, we're going to pull out that approximate symbol. So x is approximately 216.67. X is approximately 216.67. And you're going to try one on your own. So let's try 73% of what is 19. 73% of what is 19. Again, pause the video and try this one on your own. Come back for the answer. And I'm going to wait just to make sure. So 73% of what is 19? So we have 73x equals 1900. And we want to divide by 73. And this is going to be another rounding one. So x should be approximately 26.03. X is approximately 26.03. Okay, so we've gone through the three parts. You found a part, which is the is. We've found a percent, and we found a whole. Now, the most common usage of percent is when you have a percent off and when you have a percent of the sale going to tax. So we're going to practice some of those problems now. So everyone wants to know what is going to be our discount. Okay, so again, we've done all these different parts. Now we're going to talk about calculating a discount. So for number 10, you go to the store to buy some flowers and find a a bundle for $11.99 on sale for 15% off. So for question is, what would be the price with the discount? You go to the store to buy some flowers and you find a bundle or a bouquet for $11.99 on sale for 15% off. What would be the price with the discount? Okay, now when we use these types of scenarios, they're not necessarily going to say is of percent, and so we have to think about what we're looking for. Remember, it's always over 100. So we do know it's 15% off. So we know the 15 is our percent. The question is, what are we looking for? Are we looking for the is or the of? Well, based on the scenario, we're looking for the is. What is the price of 15% off of $11.99? So when we cross multiply, we get 100x equals 11.99 times 15, which is 179.85. And when we divide by 100, remember we're rounding to the hundredths. When I divide that by 100, I get 1.7985. So rounding that to the hundredths, the 8 would round the 9 up, and if the 9 rounds up, that also means the 7 rounds up. So what ends up happening is x is $1.80. Technically, approximately $1.80. Okay, but computer systems will round up. Now, is the price of the flowers $1.80? No, it's 15% off. So what would I have to do because it's 15% off? Well, I would have to subtract. The original flowers were $11.99, and I'm taking off $1.80. So by that information, the flowers would cost $10.19. So if you go to the store to buy some flowers for $11.99 on sale for 15% off, the price with the discount would be $10.19.